In order to release special edition smartphones, manufacturers frequently collaborate with movie studios, TV networks, and even anime producers. They make minor changes to the physical design, user interface, packaging, and occasionally even the hardware of a phone to appeal to fans of a particular franchise and come up with something that stands out. This time, Oppo has partnered with the Disney Plus Hotstar show House of the Dragon for a special edition of its Reno 8 Pro 5G smartphone. Hey everyone, my name is Ishan, this is Gadgets 360, and today I'll be sharing my first impressions for the Oppo Reno 8 Pro House of the Dragon limited edition smartphone. So let's get started. It's been quite some time since the Reno 8 Pro was released, so this move might interest some buyers who might otherwise have waited for its successor to launch. We managed to get our hands on the Reno 8 Pro 5G House of the Dragon limited edition, and we'll tell you whether spending Rs 45,999 on a phone launched 6 months ago is still worthwhile. The Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G House of the Dragon limited edition comes in a sizable black box with a dragon scale inspired texture and the dragon logo embossed in gold at the top. Opening the flap reveals a knotted scroll tucked neatly within a compartment along with a House of the Dragon x Oppo insignia. The scroll contains information about the box's contents in a style reminiscent to House of the Dragon. The box with all of its contents can then be pulled out using a loop. This limited edition phone comes with a glittering gold dragon egg, a HOTD themed phone ring, a dragon SIM eject tool, a keychain with the house sigil, and a protective case with a leather bag that is modeled after the Balerian dragon and bears the dragon logo inscribed in gold. We also have a black inner compartment that contains the standard Reno 8 Pro retail package. The device you get in the HOTD Special Edition box is an Oppo Reno 8 Pro in glazed black with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The smartphone boasts a glossy glass back that easily attracts fingerprints and an aluminium frame with chamfered sides. At 183 grams in weight and 7.34 mm thick, this is a sleek device. In our review, we noted that the MediaTek Dimensity 8100 Max SoC used by the Oppo Reno 8 Pro can perform routine operations quickly and without lag. The smartphone has a 6.7-inch 120Hz AMOLED screen with HDR, which is great to work with because it looks sharp and has brilliant colors. The Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G has a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor for the front camera, plus an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera, and a 50-megapixel primary camera with a Sony IMX766 sensor on the back. With moderate use, the 4500 mAh battery should last the entire day. Nevertheless, if you ever feel that it is insufficient, 80-watt fast charging could be helpful. As we noted in our review of the Oppo Reno 8 Pro 5G when it first launched, the phone is fairly capable. One thing to keep in mind is that there are no other channels through which you can purchase this limited edition. It is only accessible through Flipkart.com. Considering that the Oppo Reno 8 Pro House of the Dragon limited edition retails for the same price, I don't think fans of the show will hesitate to choose it over the vanilla version. However, I was a little disappointed to see no cosmetic changes, UI customizations, or hardware upgrades as we've seen in the past from other manufacturers with their limited edition smartphones. That's it for today's video. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, please like and share it. And for all things tech, stay tuned to Gadgets 360.